Hello. Chloe?
Here.
Hello, Chloe. You?
Here.
Jom Jam?
Here.
Pasai?
Đang here.
Hello, Popiang. Pasai?
Teacher Namo here.
Hello,
Teacher
Nam.
Matt here.
Mark, hello. Okay, thank you. Let's start. Okay, today we're going to look at something new, but first, let's see if you can remember things about 3D shapes, okay? Let's see if we can work out which shape it is. Okay, so first clue. I have 6 square faces. Clue number 2. I have 8. Do you remember this word? How do you say this word? Someone tell me. 8. What word is this? Anyone remember? Take a look. Look at the screen.
Q.
What? Vertices. Vertices. I have 12 edges. What am I?
Q.
Cube. What do you think, everyone? Is it a cube? Anyone awake today? Is it a cube? Yes, well done. Oh. Okay, next one. Let's see if you can guess this one. First clue. I have 5 faces. Remember, that's the flat part. At least 4 of which are triangular. I have 5 vertices. Remember, that is corners. I have 8 edges. What am I? Anybody know? 5 faces. 4 of them are triangular. Have a think. Which shape has 4 triangular faces?
Pyramid, teacher.
Yes. Oh. Square-based pyramid. Very good. Okay. Next one. I have 2 faces and 1 continuous curved face. So 2 flat faces, 1 curved face. I have 0 vertices. And I have 2 edges. What am I?
Cylinder.
Cylinder? What do you think, everyone?
I think cylinder, teacher.
Yes? Yes, good job. Okay, well done. Good job remembering those. Okay, today, this is our new vocabulary, so let's practice saying it. First word, angles. Can you say that?
Angle.
Angles. Good. Angles. Remember, angles is like acute angle, obtuse angle, right angle. There is lots of different types of angles in shapes. The next word, do you know this word?
I don't know, teacher.
Okay, listen. Polygon. Can you say it? Polygon. Good. Polygon. Next one. Interior angle. Can you try saying that?
Interior.
Good. Interior angle. Interior angle is an angle that is inside a shape. Okay? Interior angle. We're going to look at this today. Next word, exterior angle. Can you say that?
Exterior angle.
Good. Exterior angle is an angle that is outside a shape. Okay? And we measure angles in what do we measure in? What's the last word?
Degrees.
Degrees. Good. We measure angles in degrees. Okay, so today we're going to look at interior angles, okay, of different shapes. But first, let's watch this video. So watch and listen, please.
In this video, we're going to talk about shapes and something called angles, which you might have heard the word before. So the first question is, what is an angle? Well, let me draw a shape, and that might help explain what an angle is. So I'm going to draw a triangle. And you might already know that a triangle has three sides. You can see one side, two sides, three sides. But it also has three angles. Now, what are the angles? Well, for a shape like this, you can think of an angle as where two of the sides come together. So, for example, this right over here is an angle because two of the sides have come together there. This side and this side come together at that point. So that's an angle. This is another angle, and that's another angle. So not only does a triangle have three sides, it also has three angles. Now let me ask you a question. If I had a rectangle like this, how many angles does it have? Pause this.
How many angles does a rectangle have? What do you think, P6?
4.
4. Good. 1, 2, 3, 4. Very good. What type of angle does it have? Is it acute, obtuse, or right angle?
Right angle.
Yes, very good. It has 4 right angles. Let's look.
Video and think about it. Well, we can see the angles. We have one angle here, another angle here, so 2, 3, and 4.
Yes.
So not only does a rectangle have 4 sides, it also has 4 angles. Now what if I were to give you another 4-sided figure, another quadrilateral? Quadrilateral is a very fancy word, but it really just means 4-sided figure. But one that's not a rectangle. What if I were to give you something like this? So this type of a quadrilateral, it still has 4 sides, but you can see that it looks a little bit different than a rectangle. Right, do it so it's pretty straight. It still has 1, 2, 3, 4 sides. How many angles do we have? And this figure is called a trapezoid. How many angles does a trapezoid have?
Okay, we call it a trapezium, this shape, okay? So how many angles are in this shape?
4.
4, yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, okay? Good job.
Well, let me count them again. So we have one angle right over here, 2, 3, and 4. So this quadrilateral, this trapezoid, like a rectangle, has both 4 sides and 4 angles. Now, if I were to go the other way around, if I were to ask you to draw a figure, and if you have pencil and paper, I encourage you to do it.
Okay, so each of these shapes has got a different number of sides and a different number of angles. And these angles, we call them the interior angles, okay? So let's go back to our PowerPoint and take a look at interior angles. Okay. So, what is an interior angle? An interior angle is the angle made between two adjacent sides in any 2D shape. So can you see the triangle? Yes? It's got 1, 2, 3 interior angles. Okay, interior means it's inside the shape. Yes? You understand? You understand the meaning of interior? It means inside. Yes, inside the shape. So interior angle is inside the shape. Okay? Here are some regular shapes, okay? The interior angles of regular shapes are always equal. So what shape is this pink shape? What's it called?
Square.
Square. A square has how many interior angles?
4.
Yes, good. 4 interior angles. And they are all equal. Okay, they're all the same. So 90 degrees, 90 degrees, 90 degrees, 90 degrees. Do you know what this yellow shape is?
I don't
Know what this 2D shape is? It's called an octagon. Can you say that? Octagon. Yes, octagon has got 8 sides. Okay? And it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 interior angles. Okay? Octagon. Very good. Okay, here are some other. Hello?
Nobel is here.
Hello, Nobel. Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, so here are some other shapes, okay? So all these shapes all have different numbers of interior angles, okay? Depending on how many sides they have, okay? Now, I said this word before at the beginning. Do you remember how to say it? Yeah, I'll help you. Polygon.
Polygons.
Yeah, polygon. Good. And a polygon is any two-dimensional, any 2D shape that has straight sides. We call it a polygon, okay? So if you didn't know, a polygon is a 2D shape with straight sides, okay? That is what I mean when I say polygon. So let's just watch a video about different polygons. Okay. Ready? Watch and listen. shapes are polygons. They have straight sides, okay? And the beginning bit, so tri and quad, they tell us how many sides there are. So triangle means there are how many sides? How many sides? 3. If it has quad in front of it, it means it has 4. Yes, so quadrilateral is a shape with 4 sides. What about a pentagon? How many sides does a pentagon have? Have a look. Yeah, pentagon 5. Pentagon has 5 sides. What about a hexagon? Have a look. 6, yes. Okay, this one, heptagon. How many sides does a shape with hepta in it have? Have a look. 7, yes. Octagon, we looked at this shape before. Octagon has 8 sides. Nonagon has 9. And decagon has 10. Yes, good. Okay, so all these shapes are polygons and they have different numbers of sides, okay? And different numbers of angles. So let's go back to this. So today we need to look at interior angles, okay? Interior angles of polygons. So here are some polygons that we just saw in the video. And it tells us how many sides. And we know in a polygon, the interior angles are all equal, okay? In a regular polygon, all the angles are equal. Okay, so for example, the equilateral triangle has 3 sides and 3 angles. Each interior angle is how many degrees? Can you see? How many degrees? 60, yes. So 60 multiplied by 3 equals
180.
yes, good, 180. So all the angles in an equilateral triangle are 180. A square or a quadrilateral shape, all the angles are 90. So what does that equal? 90 multiplied by 4? 360. Yes. So in a square, all the angles, all the interior angles make 360. How about a pentagon that has 5 sides? Each angle is 108. So altogether they add to
500.
yes, 540. Okay, and so on, okay? So you multiply the number of sides by the degree, the interior angle, then you can get the total. Okay, have a look here at the totals. Do you notice that each time the sides go up by 1, the total of all the angles goes up by how many degrees? Yes, 180. Okay, so each time we add 180 to the total of all the angles. So for triangles, The interior angles always total 180. So we can work out the other angle if we know 2. So for the first triangle, 50 plus 30 equals
100.
8. Good, 80. So the missing angle is 100. Let's try this blue one. Take a look. What's the value of the missing angle here?
30.
30. Good. And one more. Let's do the green one now. Eighty plus 20.
75.
Yes, good. 75. Very good. Okay. And for quadrilaterals, remember that's a shape with 4 sides, like a square or rectangle. For quadrilaterals, the interior angles always total 360 degrees. Okay? Always add to 360 degrees. That means if you know 3 angles, you can work out the 4th. Okay? So, diagonally opposite angles are equal in a parallelogram. So these are both equal angles, and these. Okay? This shape is called a trapezium. And the angles at the bottom, both 90, so they add to 180. So you could work out the missing angles. Okay. So take a look at your book. Page 109, please. Page 109. Okay. It's telling us about interior angles of shapes. So first shape we know is a triangle. Can you remember what all 3 interior angles?
180.
Yes, 180. Well done. Very good. Okay, here are some quadrilaterals. What do all the angles in a quadrilateral add up to? Can you remember? 360. Yes, good. 360. Good job. Okay. So we've looked at some different shapes. Okay, I'd like us to try now page 115. It wants you to find the values of the unknown angles. Okay. So let's have a look. Can you find page 115? Okay, the first one we'll do together. We know in a triangle, all the angles add to make 180. Yes? There it is. Move this down here. So for the first one, we need to work out angle E and D. So there is 2 missing angles. What do you think we're going to do? What should we do to solve this problem? We could do 180 minus, what's the value of this angle? C. 105. Good.
Oh.
So if we do 180 minus 105, what does that equal?
75.
Yes, good.
Oh, okay.
Then we need to divide by how many? How many do we need to divide by? Anybody know?
What?
We need to divide by
Yes.
2,
Two.
yes? So 75 divided by 2, 37.5. So the missing angles are 37.5 degrees. Okay? So if you have your book, you can write it down. B, okay, let's do it together. B, we need to find the missing angles. The angle we have is 69 degrees. Okay? In a quadrilateral, all the angles add to 360.
Sure.
Yes? So,
Yes.
we know we can do 180 minus 69. These angles will add to 180. So these angles will be 111, angle D.
What? Yes.
So we know angle A will be 69 because it's the same as C. Can you see? They're opposite. So angle A equals 69. Angle B is going to equal 180 minus 69. So angle B is 111. Angle D is equal. They are opposite, so they will be the same. So angle D is 111. Angle B is 111. So 3 missing angles. Okay, for C, we have a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5-sided shape. It's called a pentagon. Okay, pentagon. All the angles in a pentagon are equal. Okay? So these angles, angle M, 106, L, 106, K, 106, 108, sorry. 108 they all are. So J and I, what will the angles be? They're equal, so it's going to be the same. They are both 100 and...
Yes.
8.
Yes.
Yes. 108. They are all equal.
Yes.
Okay. Let's do one more. Okay, this one, shape D, it's a bit tricky, okay? So it wants you to work out angle H. Okay? To work out angle H, We know in a circle there is 360 degrees. So 360 minus 114 equals 246. So angle H equals 246. The other missing angle is angle G. Okay. Angle G, we can do 540 minus 246. So minus this angle here. Then minus 90 times 3 because there are 3 right angles. So you need to minus these from 540, which equals 24 degrees. So G is 24. Okay. If you have your book, write that down. Okay, when you're finished, you can close your book. We won't do E and F today.
Teacher, I'm not finished.
Okay. Tell me when you finish, then I will change the screen, okay?
Teacher, ฟ้าใส here.
Finish, well done.
Teacher, finish.
Finish, well done. Anyone else finish, or do you need some more time? Everyone finished? Yes? Okay, right, let's finish with a quick game then. Play a game of hangman to finish today. So, let's have a look. These are all about 3D shapes. Okay, who would like to guess a letter? Off you go, tell me.
O.
Oh, okay. Oh, there's no O. Anyone else?
E.
E. Yes, well done.
E.
E, C, are you sure?
No.
Yes, good. C, yes.
ยังไม่ได้พูดกันโอเค
U? Yes, well done.
I don't know.
What word is it? Do you know the
I
shape?
don't know. I
Yes,
don't
you
know.
do. You,
I don't know.
what shape is it?
I don't know.
B.
I
Yes.
don't know.
Cute. Good. Okay, next one. Okay.
P.
T.
P. Teacher, P.
P. Wow.
Pyramid, teacher, I think.
Okay, how do you spell? How do I spell pyramid?
R. I
I
M
yes
E teacher E
E
yes
no E
A teacher
A yes 2 more letters
S I don't know
pyramid
Y
Y last letter D yes very good pyramid okay next one Take
E
it down.
teacher
Which letter D
E teacher E
okay E no E A no A which letter
D
oh there is a D
P teacher
P oh there's no P I yes
cuboid
cuboid how do you spell it
C U
D O
yes well done cuboid okay let's try this one
cone
C
cone
cone
Q
cone
how do you spell it O
N E
N E yes very good okay right well done I'm going to send the link in the chat so that you can play at home okay and practice spelling the 3D shapes okay right well done today everyone we are finished so have a nice lunch and I will see you next week okay
Bye bye.
bye
Bye bye
bye bye
bye